There you go. That's much better. How old is this baby? 20 days old. Tomorrow he'll be 3 weeks. Little spiky baby. Yeah, a little baby. Are we gonna walk some? Are we gonna walk? We're gonna walk to daddy? You 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 gonna walk to daddy? Are you gonna walk to daddy? Are you gonna walk to daddy? You gonna walk to daddy? You gonna come daddy? The baby, you gonna come daddy? Come on. Come on, the baby, come on. Come on, baby, what about mama? What about mama? What about that other? Who's gonna feed you? No, baby, keep your feet together, baby. Keep your little feet together. There we'll go. There we'll go. There we'll go. Okay, let's get this little guy. Let's get this little guy. Who's that? Who's that little guy? Look at him. Look at that little baby. There's a good baby. Are you a good baby? What if you see yourself? My, see yourself. Who's gonna get that little baby, huh? Who's gonna get him? Who's getting him? Who's getting him, baby? Says, hi, I like you. Mama's gonna feed him? No, they're waiting over here saying, Daddy, bring the baby, I want to feed you. It doesn't make any sense to me why babies flap their wings while they're getting the bites. No, that's right, I forgot. He has a parakeet up here. Come here, parakeet. Come here, it's okay. Come on, Daddy. What's the matter? Oh, he's gonna fly the cage. Did he fly the cage? Yes, he did. He had an open path to get there. Doors. What's this little one doing? What's this little one doing? You want some rubbins? You gonna get a rubbins? Are you gonna get a rubbins? Oh yeah. You gonna get a rubbins. He gets a rubbins. You get the rubbins. Ooh, You the rubbins, dog. Oh my.